Hello to my talented sewing friends. I hope you're feeling energetic today and ready for an exciting tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to draft the pattern for the super chic and feminine dress. Yes, the same floral maxi dress with puff sleeves and a square neckline that has always been a favorite in the fashion world. I mean, is it even possible to wear this style and not feel like a princess? It's chic, it's comfortable, and it's absolutely perfect for summer. So if you're ready, grab your tools, open your pattern notebook, and let's get started. Don't forget to turn on subtitles or dubbing in your native language from the settings to enjoy the video better. In this design, the bodice length is a little shorter. If you want yours to look just like the model, measure 2 centimeters above the waistline. But if your bodice is already on the shorter side, don't raise it above the waistline because it will make your bodice look even shorter. By the way, I've left the link to the basic bodice pattern at the end of the video and in the description. Make sure to check it out later. And don't forget, you can customize this basic pattern to your own measurements. Send this tutorial to your friend and tell them, look, I just sent you this lesson. Consider it a mini sewing class from me. Let's spread the creativity. You never know whose day you might brighten. This dress is called the cottagecore style, inspired by vintage countryside fashion. It's a feminine, classic look with a romantic, rural vibe. In this design, the skirt dart is sewn directly onto the dress. But if you don't want to have that dart showing on your dress, here's how you can remove it. If you prefer the skirt without darts, skip this part. But if you want to keep the darts on the skirt, don't skip this part. I've already explained the reason for designing this important dart in my previous videos, so if you missed it, make sure to check those out. Thank you so much for staying with me until this point in the video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to watch the next one because we're gonna sew more simple and fun projects together. Or if you'd like to start from the very beginning and learn step by step, check out the playlist. Whichever you choose, it's a brand new start. This is a maxi style, which means it's almost ankle length. For an average height, that's about 140 centimeters from the shoulder down to the hem. Thank you so much for staying with me until this point in the video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to watch the next one because we're gonna sew more simple and fun projects together. Or if you'd like to start from the very beginning and learn step by step, check out the playlist. Whichever you choose, it's a brand new start. Model details and best body fit. Neckline, a wide square cut. It beautifully shows the collarbones and makes the face look brighter. Sleeves, short puff sleeves with gentle gathers, adding a romantic, classic vibe. Bodice, fitted down to the waist to highlight the body's natural shape. Skirt, slightly flared for ease of movement. Print, delicate blue flowers on a white background, giving a fresh and youthful feel. This style is perfect for hourglass, pear, and rectangular body shapes. Since the bodice is fitted and the skirt is looser, it works beautifully for sizes XS to 3XL, as long as you adjust the bust and waist measurements accurately. All right, now I'm going to show you a super easy way to turn this sleeve into a puff sleeve. Like me, place the center line of the sleeve on the marks we measured, as if these marks are the new center line of our sleeve. Then, draw the sleeve cap. Just make sure to do this parallel to the previous line. This dress is truly versatile, perfect for a summer picnic, a garden party, friendly gatherings, traveling, or even as a bridesmaid dress with the right fabric. If you want to sew unique and beautiful designs like this one for yourself, make sure to check out the playlist I pinned in the comments and watch it later when you have time. With dresses like these, you can be sure everyone will envy you. Suitable fabric? For this dress, the fabric should be lightweight, soft, and have a nice drape. Suggestions? Cotton poplin or cotton lawn for a cool, breathable feel. Viscose for a fluid and delicate look. Linen blends for a summery vibe. Lightweight satin for a more formal style. Fabric requirement: for a medium size M and full length, you'll need about 2.20 to 2.40 meters of fabric with a width of 150 centimeters. Larger sizes, XL to 3XL, will require about 2.5 to 2.8 meters, and smaller sizes, XS to S, will need about 2.0 to 2.10 meters. So, how's the tutorial so far? I'd really love to hear what you think. If you found it helpful and enjoyed it, please leave me a comment and give it a like. That way I'll know your taste better and can make the next tutorials based on what you love. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future tutorials. Oh, and the basic pattern tutorial, along with another one I'm sure you'll love, is right here.